Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their P-Touch label printer, the Dysead 9.5V AC adapter, specifically designed for models like the PT-2600 and PT-2610. When it comes to powering your essential devices, reliability and safety are paramount, and this adapter aims to deliver on both fronts. Right off the bat, one of the most reassuring aspects of this Dysead power charger is its commitment to safety. The manufacturer proudly states that it complies with international quality certification authorities, meeting top industry standards. This isn't just marketing fluff, it translates into practical protection for your device and your peace of mind. The adapter incorporates numerous safety mechanisms, including robust protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. This comprehensive suite of safeguards means you can plug in your valuable label printer without worrying about unexpected electrical mishaps damaging your equipment or creating a hazard. It's a solid foundation of trust built into the product. Delving into its technical specifications, the input voltage range is quite versatile, accepting AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This wide compatibility is a fantastic feature, especially for those who might travel or use their label printer in different regions. The travel special feature listed isn't just a buzzword. The universal input voltage genuinely supports global use, making it a convenient choice for professionals on the go. Furthermore, the adapter boasts high power exchange efficiency. What this means for the user is a more stable working temperature during operation. An efficient adapter runs cooler, which not only contributes to its own longevity, but also ensures a consistent and reliable power supply to your P-Touch printer, preventing any performance hiccups due to fluctuating power. Physically, the adapter comes in a sleek black color, a standard and unobtrusive design that blends well with most office or workspace aesthetics. It's designed as a wall mount, which is practical for keeping your workspace tidy and free from cable clutter. Simply plug it directly into an outlet, and you're good to go. A crucial point to remember, as highlighted by the manufacturer, is to always ensure you choose the right device before purchasing. While this Dysead adapter is perfectly compatible with the PT-2600 and PT-2610 P-Touch label printers, double-checking your specific model number is always a wise step to guarantee a perfect fit and optimal performance. In essence, if you're in need of a replacement or a spare power charger for your PT-2600 or PT-2610 P-Touch label printer, the Dysead 9.5V AC adapter presents itself as a highly dependable option. Its strong emphasis on safety, coupled with its efficient and stable power delivery, makes it a smart investment for keeping your labeling tasks running smoothly and securely. It's a straightforward, no-nonsense power solution that gets the job done with an added layer of protection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.